Now we are going to see the conservation of natural resources. The different natural resources like forest, water, soil, food, mineral, energy, they play an important role in the development of a nation. The small efforts of individual can together help in the conservation of these natural resources to a large extent. Let's see how can these natural resources be conserved. Given in the slide are some of the most common ways of water conservation. That is, keep water taps closed while brushing, washing, bathing. Then check for water leaks in pipes and repair them regularly. Then reuse of the soapy water of washing from clothes for gardening. Then water the plants in the evening when evaporation losses are minimum. The plants should not be watered during midday because water is lost due to evaporation. Then rainwater harvesting system should be introduced. Beside these methods, individual must have their own concept, their own methods to conserve water. We know every year 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. It raises awareness of the 2.2 billion people without access to safe water. And it also takes action to tackle the global water crisis. Next is the ways of energy conservation. The main thing is that we have to turn off lights, fans and other electronic appliances when not in use. Then we have to make maximum out of the solar energy. We have to dry the clothes in sun instead of dryer. Then use of solar cooker for cooking will save the LPG expenses. Control the use of air conditioner. Recycle, reuse glass, papers, metal, etc. Then make most out of public transport system. You can and the use of bicycle or walking small distances instead of using vehicle can save petroleum, diesel and so on. And these are the methods of energy conservation. More methods are shown in this slide. Next is soil conservation practices. First one is practice contour farming. In this slide, first picture shows contour farming. Contour farming is the practice of tilling sloped land along lines of consistent elevation. What is the advantage of contour farming? It reduces soil loss from surface erosion. Another method is practice terrace farming. This second picture shows terrace farming. Terrace farming also help in soil conservation by preventing the washing away of soil nutrients by rain. Another method for soil conservation is no-till farming. We know what is tilling. Tilling is the agricultural preparation of soil by mechanical agitations of various types such as digging, stirring, etc. No-till farming, which is otherwise known as zero tillage or direct drilling, is an agricultural technique for growing crops without disturbing the soil through tillage. What is its advantage? It reduces the water loss by runoff and prevents soil erosion. Then we have to practice organic farming, restore wetland, forest restoration, planting buffer strip along stream banks. Buffer strip, this third image show buffer strip. Buffer strip traps sediment and enhance filtration of nutrients and pesticide by slowing down surface runoff that could enter the local surface of water. Then windbreak. Windbreak means a group of trees or shrubs that is used to block and direct the wind. Then proper waste disposal management, use of sprinkling irrigation method. Then we should not irrigate the plant using a strong flow of water because it would wash off the topsoil. Then grass should be grown in open areas so that the root of the grass will bind to the soil and it prevents soil erosion. These are some of the major methods of soil conservation. Next is sustainable agricultural practices. Sustainable agriculture is a type of agriculture that focuses on producing long-term crops and livestock while having minimal effect on the environment. How can sustainable agricultural practices be performed? Control pest, usage of drip irrigation, then choosing polyculture over monoculture. That means different type of plants are grown instead of a single type. It results in less waste and it reduces fossil fuel consumption. Then adoption of post harvest technologies, then crop rotation, etc. are some of the method to achieve sustainable agriculture. These are the important ways in which the natural resources can be conserved. Thank you.